वेलकम टू फाइनेंशियल जर्नीज। फाइनेंशियल जर्नीज में आपका स्वागत है। माय नेम इज दक्ष भोसले और मेरा नाम साइली भोसले। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू प्ले अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग गेम कॉल्ड नेबर मूड। नेबरहुड, नॉट नेबरहुड, नेबर मूड। Oh, it is played in over 8,000 US schools to teach students financial literacy. ये गेम यूएस के 8,000 से ज्यादा स्कूल्स में खेला जाता है, जिससे बच्चों को फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी की शिक्षा दी जाती है। Anyone can play this game. Even me and Sally have learned financial savviness through this game. मैंने और दक्ष ने भी इस गेम से फाइनेंशियल savviness सीखी है।
Welcome to Financial Journeys. My name is Krishna. Today I have brought you another interesting finance game called Neighbor Mood. This game is a real life story based simulator which is focused on financial literacy and consumer skills. तो ये गेम हमें सिखाता है कि किस तरह से हम असली जिंदगी के अंदर अच्छे कंज्यूमर डिसीजंस ले सकते हैं. This is a game that kids as young as 8 years of age will enjoy playing and would learn a lot in the process. इस गेम के अंदर हम एक कॉलेज स्टूडेंट हैं और हमें डिसीजंस लेने हैं अपने फाइनेंसेस और टाइम मैनेजमेंट से रिलेटेड. इस गेम को बच्चे भी खेल सकते हैं और एंजॉय कर सकते हैं और बहुत कुछ सीख सकते हैं पर्सनल फाइनेंस और कॉन्शियस डिसीजन मेकिंग के बारे में. सो विदाउट फर्दर डिले लेट्स जंप इनटू द गेम. स्टार्ट न्यू गेम. Did you know more than half of millennials say they are living paycheck to paycheck? Meet Ali, senior at Wade City High. Against all odds, Ali has made the starting lineup for today's soccer game. Can Ali live up to the expectations and help the team defeat their bitter rivals? तो हमारे कैरेक्टर का नाम अली है जो एक स्टूडेंट है और वो वेड सिटी हाई स्कूल में पढ़ता है और उसके सॉकर टीम में भी है. तो हमसे गोल मिस हो गया. Sorry about your game. I know that hurts, but you have got your car cleaning business to perk you up. Why don't you clean up and head out? New shoes. Can't afford them. तो शायद हमारे जूते फट गए और अब कैरेक्टर क्रिएट कर लेते हैं. कंफर्म. हम कार वॉश करने गए. फिर थैंक्स अली, आई वोंट नीड अनदर वॉश टिल नेक्स्ट वीक. दिस एंट वर्किंग, स्टिल वे ऑफ. तो हम कार वॉश करने के लिए गए, काम करने के लिए, एज अ साइड वर्क करने के लिए, और उससे हमें जो पैसा मिला वो शूज खरीदने के लिए काफी नहीं है. वी आर हायरिंग, कम ज्वाइन अस टुडे. दिस इज अलीज लोकेशन ऑन द मैप. वेलकम टू वेड सिटी. दिस इज अली, अ हाई स्कूल सीनियर who loves soccer. You are now in control of Ali's life. What will Ali do? It's up to you. Okay. तो ये है हम. Great. Now let's get on with Ali's life. Open the To-Do app on your phone to see what's planned. तो हमारे फोन में To-Do ऐप खोल के देखते हैं अभी हमारे प्लानर देखने के लिए आज की To-Do list. You have done the first To-Do. Check back often in case you forget what your next task is. Remember, you won't be able to do everything. The value of the things given up or opportunities passed up is called opportunity cost. तो हम सारी चीजें नहीं कर सकते और जो चीजें हम नहीं करते कोई और चीज करने के लिए वो हमारी अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट होती है. Now let's go to Sir Tacolot to check out that job. Double tap any sidewalk or location pin to go there. तो ये probably एक job prospect है. हम check करेंगे कि the choices you make matter. 3 companies are hiring. They all have different contract terms. Can you find the best deal? तो हमारे पास 3 कंपनीज हमें एड्स मिले जो कि हायर कर रही है जॉब्स के लिए और अब हम देखेंगे कि उन जॉब्स की क्या रिक्वायरमेंट्स है और वो कितना पे करती है वगैरह। तो ये फर्स्ट सर टैको लॉट, तो ये प्रोबेबली एक टैको शॉप है। आर यू लुकिंग फॉर अ जॉब? जॉइन आवर टैको फैमिली टुडे, हियर इज व्हाट वी ऑफर। सर टैको लॉट, $16 an hour, 1 hour shifts, pay day every 2 weeks। तो $16 देते हैं ये हर घंटे का, और इनके शिफ्ट्स 1 घंटे के ड्यूरेशन के होते हैं, और पे डे हर 2 हफ्तों बाद आता है। अब अगला देख लेते हैं, गो एल्सवेयर। डू और डोनट, वेलकम टू डू और डोनट, वी मेक एवरी डोनट मैजिकल, लुकिंग फॉर अ पार्ट टाइम जॉब, here is what we offer for a part time employees। तो ये एक डोनट शॉप है, यहां पे देख लेते हैं जॉब के प्रोस्पेक्ट्स क्या है। तो यहां पे हमें मिलेंगे $18 1 आवर के, और 2 घंटे की शिफ्ट है, और पे डे रहेगा हर 2 हफ्तों बाद। तो यहां पे हमें $2 ज्यादा मिल रहे हैं हर घंटे के, और शिफ्ट भी 1 घंटे से ज्यादा है। तो इसका मतलब दुगना से ज्यादा इनकम होगी इस जॉब से। लास्ट जॉब भी चेक कर लेते एक बार पर। और भी है, प्रमोशन अपॉर्चुनिटीज अवेलेबल, फ्री डोनट एवरी शिफ्ट। तो इस जॉब के काफी सारे दूसरे भी फायदे, जैसे हमें हर शिफ्ट पे एक फ्री डोनट मिलेगा, और प्रमोशन की भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज है। तो लुक एट अदर जॉब्स कर लेते हैं, लास्ट वाली जॉब देख लेते हैं पहले। कूल शू वेयरहाउस, यो वेलकम टू कूल शू वेयरहाउस, द होम ऑफ द कूलेस्ट किक्स इन टाउन। तो ये शूज का स्टोर है। यू लुक लाइक अ स्नीकर हेड, want a job here? Let me tell you what we offer. 3-hour shifts, $51 per shift, payday every 2 weeks। 3 घंटे के शिफ्ट है, और ये $51 पर शिफ्ट पे कर रहे हैं। तो ये बाकी जॉब्स के कंपैरिजन में बहुत ज्यादा पे कर रहे हैं। और एक्सक्लूसिव एक्सेस टू एम्प्लॉय ओनली सेल्स, प्रमोशन अपॉर्चुनिटीज अवेलेबल। तो यहाँ पे भी प्रमोशन अपॉर्चुनिटीज है। फ्री डोनेट तो नहीं मिलेगा, लेकिन इस जॉब के पेमेंट प्रोस्पेक्ट्स भी बहुत अच्छे हैं, और प्रमोशन अपॉर्चुनिटीज भी अवेलेबल हैं। तो इसी जॉब के लिए साइन अप करते हैं। टर्म्स आर एवरीवेयर इन द गेम, पे अटेंशन टू देम, कांग्रेट्स, योर डिसीजन इज कॉजिंग अ मूड चेंज। मूड में गो अप और डाउन डिपेंडिंग ऑन व्हाट यू डू। योर मूड इज गोइंग अप बिकॉज ऑफ द न्यू जॉब। Now that you've got a job, it's time to open a bank account. That piggy bank at home isn't going to cut it. तो अब हम एक बैंक अकाउंट खोलने वाले हैं। Before we go anywhere, it's important to do your research. Open the Froggle app to do some research. तो अब हम कहीं जाने से पहले अपने फोन से रिसर्च करेंगे। तो Froggle is like a play on Google, I think. Froggle is a search engine. Use it to search for financial institutions in Wade City. Don't trust everything you read. Be a healthy skeptic. तो जो भी हम रीड करते हैं उससे तुरंत नहीं बिलीव करना चाहिए, उसे थोड़ी स्केप्टिसिज्म यानी थोड़ी डाउट के साथ लेना चाहिए। और अब हम रिसर्च कर रहे हैं 3 चेकिंग अकाउंट्स। ओके, तो यहाँ पे गोल्डन फ्यूचर एक फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन रहेगी, और एलिसियम एक फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन रहेगी। लेकिन उससे पहले हम ये आर्टिकल पढ़ लेते हैं, कंपेयरिंग 3 अकाउंट्स, विच वंस फॉर यू। आर यू स्मार्ट इनफ टू स्पॉट द बेटर डील? रीड ऑल 3 वेबसाइट्स एंड डिसाइड विच फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन इज बेस्ट फॉर यू। कंपेयरिंग 3 अकाउंट्स, डोंट बी फूल्ड। Finding the right financial institution can be challenging, especially if you're new to the world of banking. Below is our take on teen accounts offered by 2 most popular financial institutions in Wade City, Elysium and Golden Point. तो हमारे पास यही 2 ऑप्शंस है, Elysium और Golden Point, जहां से हम 3 अकाउंट्स खोल सकते हैं, 3 चेकिंग अकाउंट्स। चेकिंग अकाउंट्स होते जहां पे हम अपने पैसे एक ऑनलाइन फॉर्मेट में स्टोर कर सकते हैं। Elysium starters account, one of the most trusted institutions with a long history, includes both savings and checking account. No monthly fees or hidden costs, including ATM fees. 9% interest on savings. The not so good. $10 overdraft fee, which is fine in our opinion, reminds you to stay in the positive. Some may view Elysium as old fashioned, but money is serious business. तो Elysium में इनका एक अच्छा ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड है, पुरानी हिस्ट्री, मतलब कंपनी पुरानी और वेल एस्टैब्लिश्ड है, और हमारे सेविंग्स और चेकिंग अकाउंट दोनों खुल जाएंगे, और सेविंग्स अकाउंट के अंदर ऑब्वियसली पैसों के ऊपर हमें इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा, और $10 की ओवरड्राफ्ट फीस है। तो अगर हमारे अकाउंट में जितने पैसे हैं उससे ज्यादा अगर हम खर्च करते हैं उसे ओवरड्राफ्ट कहते हैं, और उसकी हमें $10 की फीस पड़ेगी। ये डिसएडवांटेजेस में दिया है, लेकिन एक्चुअली में अगर हम ज्यादा खर्च ना करें तो वो एक प्रॉब्लम नहीं रहेगा। अभी गोल्डन पॉइंट देख लेते हैं। गोल्डन पॉइंट, गोल्डन फ्यूचर अकाउंट pros includes both savings and checkings account. Free gifts this month. You will get a free hat upon signing up. Competitive 8% interest rate on savings. Cons, relatively new bank, not exactly a bad thing, but the track record is unknown. Fees, $5 monthly no matter how much you put in, makes you wonder whether the gifts are really free. More fees, you will have to pay to use ATMs, no good. $20 overdraft penalty. Never go into the red, kids. क्लियर है, गोल्डन पॉइंट इज नॉट द बेटर डील। एलिजियम एक बहुत अच्छी डील है, इस पे हमें इंटरेस्ट भी ज्यादा मिल रहा है, तो मैं एलिजियम में ही अकाउंट खोल रहा हूं। और कोई मंथली फीस भी नहीं है हमारे अकाउंट पे। यहां एलिजियम, this is Elysium, Wade City's most trusted financial institution. How can we help you today? Open an account. Great, we have an integrated checking and savings account for youths. Please read our terms and conditions carefully, then agree to open your integrated account. 9% monthly interest rate on savings, no monthly fees for checking account. Okay, I understand and agree. You have opened an account. Looks like you did your research and chose the financial institution with better terms. Good on you. तो हमने better deal इसमें भी ढूंढी, और you have successfully opened an account. $68 from your piggy bank has been transferred to the new checking account. तो $68 है हमारे checking account के अंदर. The account comes with a mobile banking app, so go check it out. Open the BankSafe app on your phone. BankSafe. Here you can transfer money between checking and savings. What's more, you can track your spending history too. तो हम यहाँ से चेकिंग और सेविंग्स अकाउंट के अंदर से अंदर पैसा ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं. Putting money into savings will earn interest. This means you'll be paid for putting money in your savings. How nice is that? Financial savviness went up. Financial savviness is similar to your credit score in the real world. Okay. तो हमारी फाइनेंशियल savviness बढ़ेगी जब हम स्मार्ट फाइनेंशियल डिसीजंस लेंगे तब. तो यहाँ पे एक एडवर्टीजमेंट जैसी दिख रही है. अलर्ट, यू हैव बीन चोजन द ब्लैक कार्बन क्रेडिट कार्ड. नो क्रेडिट चेक, बाय व्हाट यू वांट. दिस कार्ड विल अर्न यू क्लाउड. इंस्टेंट अप्रूवल टुडे ओनली. रीड मोर. फाइनेंशियल savviness के लिए हमें और पॉइंट्स मिले, क्योंकि यूज कॉशन, क्वेश्चन सेलर्स एंड रिलाई ऑन रिसर्च. तो हमें जो दिखता है उस पर सीधा ना विश्वास करते हुए we have to use caution, no credit check. These deals are probably too good to be true. You are one step ahead by choosing to read the fine print before making decisions. Black carbon credit card eligibility has valid checking account, no credit score needed. Fees and interest rate 36.99 annual rate रहेगा वो. Annual fee $79 and one-time activation fee $89. Payment late fees $30. तो इंटरेस्ट रेट ये 37% का है, जो कि ऑब्वियसली आउटरीजियस है, और ये हिडन कंडीशंस थे, और अगर हम कॉशियसली अगर हम इन्वेस्टिगेट नहीं करते तो ये हिडन टर्म्स हमें नहीं पता चलते. ये एक अच्छी डील नहीं है. नो थैंक्स. Financial savviness. You didn't fall for these ridiculous terms. Good on you. Predatory credit cards like this one are designed to rip you off. Remember, easy to get credit cards could end up costing you big time. तो ये एक अच्छी डील नहीं थी. That credit card ad was designed to trick you. Ads that make you impulse buy without thinking, question anything who wants to impact your money or your welfare. Okay. Meet Ali's neighbors. Neighbors in red want to talk to you. Phoenix. Hey Ali, good to see you. How did that soccer match go? Let's say we lost. Sorry to hear. Anyway, I need some help. I saw online that if you pop all your zits, then rub banana into them, they'll disappear overnight. I'd give whatever a try if I had zits like you. I wouldn't trust everything on the internet. I'd go for it. तो मुझे लगता है हमें इसे एक साउंड एडवाइस देनी चाहिए. Yeah, I wouldn't trust everything on the internet. I guess you are right. Thanks, Ali. I feel a bit better now. Each time you level up, you will have a chance to upgrade the city. You can unlock shops and other awesome features. Pick your first upgrade now. Vam Hair Saloon या फिर Old Army Fashion. So I'll probably go with a hair salon. Awesome, your neighbors are loving this new shop. Okay, तो अभी हमने ट्यूटोरियल फिनिश कर लिया है. Remember, don't fall for tricky advertising. Everything has an opportunity cost. Be a healthy skeptic. सीजन 1. तो ये गेम सीजन्स के अंदर डिवाइडेड है क्योंकि एक स्टोरी बेस्ड सिमुलेशन और चॉइस बेस्ड गेम है. तो सीजन 1 अ पेनी सेव्ड इज अ पेनी अर्न्ड, जिसका मतलब है 1 रुपया बचाना 1 रुपया कमाने के बराबर है. हे अली, हाउ आर यू फीलिंग? Yesterday's match was brutal. Don't beat yourself up about it though, okay? You couldn't help the shoe mishap. Hey, I know what will cheer you up. Why did the chicken get sent off the field? Because chicken don't play soccer. A persistent foul play. That's pretty good in it. I spent all night coming up with it. Anyway, the league lineup just came out. Our next big game is on week 8 with the Apple Beach Bears. तो week 8 पे हमारा next game है soccer का. Okay. Let's train hard and destroy them. Oh no, I gotta run. Don't want to be late for our first day of senior year. You should get going too. The bell rings at 8 a.m. See you later, alligator. Okay, तो अभी हमें स्कूल जाना है. Go to school before 8 a.m. each day to learn. ठीक है. How to switch your ride? Pick a ride from your collection. Tap this. Okay. तो हम स्कूल पहुंच गए. The hallways are as clinical as ever. It's the start of your final year here. Have fun. तो हमारे last year है स्कूल में. Hello kids, it's me, your favorite homeroom teacher. Welcome back for senior year. It's your last year of high school. Going to school and studying at home will improve your grades. तो स्कूल में आने से और घर पे पढ़ने से हमारे ग्रेड्स इस गेम के अंदर इंप्रूव होंगे. The better your grades, the better you will do on your midterm and your college exam. तो वीक 13 पे हमारी फर्स्ट मिड टर्म होगी जहां पे सीजन 1 खत्म होगा. राइट, टाइम फॉर एक्चुअल क्लास. हैव फन kiddos. Well, that's the end of school. OMG, Ali. There you are. We thought you'd left already. I forgot 8 hours of school was this tiring. Did you get that part-time job you were thinking about? Come on, it's not that bad. I'm so tired I can't imagine doing a shift right now. Only another 50 weeks till we are done with high school forever. Yeah, it will be over in the blink of an eye. Man, can't believe we are seniors already. Well, actually, the average blink time is one third of a second, and a week is around 600,000 seconds. Takes calculator out. No more maths, Alex. It's gonna be a great year. I'm gonna buy those new vamps. Get a cup. Maybe you shouldn't buy less stuff and actually start saving this year. Speak up, Toby. Oh my god, it's like you have never got energy. Perhaps you should stop eating instant ramen. Toby has a point. How much have you spent just on hats last year? You really should start eating healthier. Okay, अब हम जॉब के लिए जा रहे हैं. After school, use your time after school to play soccer, go to work, talk to people and explore Wade City. तो क्योंकि एक रियल लाइफ सिमुलेशन है तो हमें इसमें टाइम मैनेज भी करना है. तो जैसे पहले कहा था, क्योंकि हमने कोई और चीज करने की डिसाइड की तो हम कोई दूसरी चीज नहीं कर पाएंगे, तो उसकी अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट हमेशा रहेगी. तो हमें इसे मैनेज करने की कोशिश करनी है. हेलो, इज दिस अली? हमें कॉल आया. आई एम साइरस, योर न्यू शिफ्ट मैनेजर. I'm just calling to remind you to come in for your first shift today. That's all. See you later. Bye. Head to work. Go to Cool Shoe Warehouse when you want to work a shift. You must do at least one shift every 2 weeks. Okay. Hey, it's Ali. Here you for. Emerson Hall. I put my money in a checking account at my financial institution, but it's so easy to spend that money. Got any tips on saving for me? Put your savings in a savings account and only spend from your checking account. Right? Put your savings in a savings account and only spend from your checking account. Sir Taco Lot is my favorite restaurant on earth. I go there for a taco almost every day. I just can't get enough. So I'll give a little optimistic version of the advice. It might be wise to spend a little less on tacos and save the extra money. Yeah, I know. I guess it will be nice to save some money. Okay. Level up. Mall probably has more utility and is probably more useful for the people. So let's build a mall. The mall's finally finished renovating. Shops at the mall can now be unlocked. Charlie Wright. I don't think I'll ever need a real bank account. I can barely fill my piggy banks at home anyway. Yeah, I'll give her this advice. That's a fair point. I guess I'll take your advice. Flash sale. Old shoes in pieces. The spring slip on. The perfect new shoes for you. Special discount $5 off. Now just $45. This offer will expire after this message. Don't miss this amazing deal. तो क्योंकि मुझे अंदाजा नहीं है कि शूज की प्राइस क्या होनी चाहिए, मैं यहाँ से नहीं खरीदूंगा. Good job, you resisted the pop-up's temptation to impulse buy. Remember to be a healthy skeptic and do your research before buying things. You are at home. What would you like to do? Let's study. Good morning, world. Morning, Ali. How are you feeling today? I know you broke your shoes during the match, so you can have this pair for now. But say these will help you walk faster. तो मुझे लगता है अभी हमें एक बाइक खरीदनी है. ओके. तो बाइक खरीदने से हमारा ट्रांसपोर्ट टाइम जो है वो कम हो जाएगा, जिससे हम ज़्यादा चीज़ें कर पाएंगे और स्कूल भी टाइम पे पहुंच जाएंगे होपफुली। तो न्यूज़ है, बैंक इंटरेस्ट रेट्स एट अ रिकॉर्ड हाई, आर यू बीइंग अ savvy saver? The lockers stare at you from the hallway. Hey Ali, wanna get some practice in after school? Wait, mom's calling me. Uh-huh. Yes, mom, I know. Wait, what? No way, the park's closed until week 4. Okay, bye mom, love it. Another day of school done. तो हमें हमारा पहला पेचेक मिल गया. You can visit the quick cash here corner shop to cash it in. Okay. Hey Gator, today is your first payday, isn't it? Just wanted to call to say I'm proud of you. Don't forget to deposit it. Love you, bye. तो यहाँ पे हम डिपॉजिट कर सकते हैं. We turn your checks into cash now. Just give us your check and take away the money. We only charge a $15 flat fee per transaction. Lowest fees across Wade City guaranteed. तो $15 पर ट्रांजैक्शन हर बार हमारी पेचेक के अंदर से बहुत ज्यादा है. Leave. Let's leave. Let's go to work. Sometimes I'm so tired, I just go to the check cashing place because it's closer even though it costs money. Set up direct deposit to make your pay go into your account automatically. Okay. Hey, it's you Ali here for work or browse some kicks. एक बार मैं शूज देख लेता हूँ क्योंकि मुझे शूज की जरूरत है सॉकर के लिए. एक बार देख लेता हूँ. ऑल राइट, टेक योर टाइम चेकिंग देम आउट. इट्स 20% ऑफ मार्क प्राइसेस विद एम्प्लॉय डिस्काउंट एज वेल. प्रोटेक्टर्स ओरिजिनल $225. ये सूटेबल फॉर हाइकिंग. क्लाउड शूज $77, suitable for sports such as basketball. Springer slip on $36. तो ये बस ऐसे शूज है जिसकी हमें जरूरत नहीं है. Worms quadruple R trainers $1000 के हैं ये. बास्केटबॉल मेड फॉर सॉकर. तो ये सॉकर के लिए बने हुए क्लीट्स हैं $108 के. और ये एक और है गेटरूड सॉकर क्लीट्स. ये $68 के क्लासिक नो नॉनसेंस क्लीट्स बाय गेटरूड मेड फॉर सॉकर. तो हम इसे ही खरीद लेते हैं. एक्चुअली हमारे अकाउंट में शायद होंगे नहीं $68, तो मैं ट्रांसफर करने पड़ेंगे पहले. ओके, एक और लेवल अप. तो ये एक टैटू शॉप होगी और कैमल और पता नहीं क्या है, यही बिल्ड करता. Yo, did you check out tips and tricks on Froggle? There might be things you didn't know about the neighbor mode in there. So I think we have reached home now, and the next day I'll go to the bank to deposit our first paycheck. So I think I'll study first. Okay, let's sleep. Let's head to school first. We are at school now and you can't wait to see your friends at school today. You Ali, OMG, today is gonna be the greatest day of my life. It's the old army grand opening today. Do you know how long I've been waiting for this? The end of today, it's going to be mine, right? So now I'll head to the bank, list him. It's far away actually. Get fast cash. Running out of money with only days until payday? Get $200 fast. 100% secured and guaranteed. Apply for your payday loan now. Pay back only $125 for every $100 loaned on your payday. This is obviously not required and a bad deal. Good for you. You could be paying $50 more on your $200 loan repayment. That predatory loan was out to get you. Hey neighbor, yeah, this is probably the right advice. I think you could save a lot of money by making coffee at home instead. Yeah, you're right. I don't really need to buy all my coffee there. Hey Ali, how's your senior year treating you? I'm super forgetful, so I put all my school work in my notebook. Even my passwords. I'd be toast if I lost my notebook. Yeah, guess it's too risky to put passwords on paper. Someone else might read it. Yeah. Rest in pizza or Telly's trinkets. Since there are quite a few fast food restaurants out here, I think Telly's trinkets is a mini market. So let's choose that instead. Telly's trinkets, earrings, necklaces and more. Get your accessory fix at Telly's. Now at Weight Premium Mall. Elysium, how can we help you? Why do I feel I have seen you before? Ask your direct deposit payroll. Yeah, let's ask about the direct deposit payroll. So we wouldn't have to come to the bank again all the way here. Means your wages will automatically transfer into your account. तो हमारी पेचेक सीधा हमारे बैंक अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर हो जाएगा और हमें बैंक में वापस आने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. That means you won't have to come all the way here to cash your check. Thank you for waiting. Your check has been deposited into your account with no additional fees. Would you like to hear about a direct deposit payroll services? Yes. Let's leave now. I just got a phone call from Alex. Hey Ali, it's me Alex. I bumped into your mom just now and she told me you were probably off depositing your check. Gosh, I hope I called you on time. Have you deposited it yet? Literally just did that. Oh no, and I'm guessing you went to the dodgy quick cash here place. Yeah, she's probably warning me they charge a lot of interest or a huge fees. The bank is a safer place for your money. Oh, that's a smart idea. I can't believe I forgot about the bank. Okay, I haven't transferred my money to the savings account for quite a while now. I'll do that. Oh, hey, it's you Ali, here for work or to browse some kicks. Talk to Cyrus. Yeah, that is probably for the direct deposit. Yeah. Oh, direct deposit payroll. Let me think. Right, yes, we do offer that. Did you want to learn more about it? Well, it just means we deposit your wages directly into your bank account. So you don't have to go through the hassle of checking the check. And you won't get ripped off by checking cashing fees. So I guess you want to join? Yes. Okay, I'd add to our direct deposit payroll. It will come into effect on your next payday. Any uncashed checks will also be added to your direct deposit payroll. Added to your direct deposit payroll. Okay. That makes so much more sense. Thanks, buddy. I'm going to open that bank account. So let's start the transfer. Checking to savings. I'll transfer all the money since I can withdraw from savings the amount that I need whenever I want. I'll also buy the shoes while I'm here, so I'll not withdraw all of it. I'll leave just around $70. Let's open the sports shop here. Let's open the sports shop. Dislike walking, don't have a car, get yourself a bike or skateboard. The Waypoint Sports Megastore is now open. Hey kid, aren't you sick of having to walk everywhere? So now we can buy a bike and our journeys, our travels would be much faster. Set up direct deposit to make your pay go into your account automatically. Okay. So we are progressing quite swiftly in this game. Okay, I'll just walk back in and buy that shoes while I'm here. So I need these Gertrude social cleats. Yeah, and they are the cheapest ones and probably the only thing we require. Cash. Man, those are new sweet kicks. Enjoy your purchase and see you next time. Let's head back home now. I think this is the good option. I would use a password vault to manage my passwords. I'll also do that actually. I can't actually change the password in the game. I also have to practice for the upcoming league match. So let's study before sleeping. And I think now we should go to sleep and probably also wrap up this video here. Many kids and young adults resort to video games that do not serve any productive purpose. Statistically speaking, children and young adults spend about 3 hours a day playing video games, which is not a surprise since video games provide visual appeal and can hold our attention for longer periods. So if they can set aside at least a little bit of that time on games such as Neighbor Mood and Financial Football, on which I have already done a gameplay, link is in the description below. Students can relax, rewind and entertain themselves while learning through these games. दुनिया भर में बच्चे लगभग 3 घंटे से अधिक समय वीडियो गेम्स खेलने में यूज करते हैं. उसमें से कुछ टाइम अगर वो ऐसे गेम्स पे स्पेंड करेंगे तो वो मनोरंजन के साथ ही फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी और लाइफ स्किल्स से रिलेटेड ऐसे कुछ चीजें सीख सकते हैं जो उनके फ्यूचर में काम आएंगी. इफ यू वांट मी टू मेक अ पार्ट 2 ऑफ दिस गेम प्ले, प्लीज हिट द लाइक बटन. अगर आपको इस वीडियो का पार्ट 2 चाहिए तो प्लीज लाइक बटन दबाओ.
थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो. अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आई तो प्लीज लाइक बटन दबाओ. And stay tuned for regular videos on weekends. I am Daksh Bhosle signing